Hey guys, welcome to our channel where we deliver actual videos of residential as well as commercial projects. So today in this video, we are visiting at Prestige Augusta Golf Village project, which is located in Horamavu, Bangalore. So we are on the project location, and from here you can take the outside view of project. This project is sprawled over 105 acres of land and has 70% open space. It offers 3 and 4 BHK villas and total comprises of 460 number of units. It consists of 2 number of floors. So now we have entered into the project. So we are giving you the exterior view of villa from Service Road. The location is very beautiful and excellent. In terms of greenery and connectivity. And now we are moving towards the villa and will give you the interior view. So here comes the living and dining room. Now here you can see the kitchen area, the spacious kitchen with separate utility area, as here you can see. Beautiful interior work has been done. And now we have entered into the bedroom area. So as you can see, the room is very spacious and it's having an attached washroom. Now here is the green area. And now we are going upstairs towards the first floor. And here comes the family room. Now here you can see the master bedroom of this villa. The spacious master bedroom. Here comes the balcony. From here you can take the exterior view of the society. So as you can see, the scenic beauty of the location, the lush green environment, and a view of pond from the balcony. So here is the washroom area. Here you can see jacuzzi. Very well furnished rooms and washrooms of this villa. Now we have entered into another bedroom. And this is the washroom area. Here is the balcony. And now we are going upstairs. Towards the terrace. So it's an open terrace. So we are giving you the overall view from the terrace. Here you can see a huge number of villas, the beautiful society. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you want more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, that is Regrob.com, and you can also call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.